Oh my goodness, there they are. And look how messy they left the fridge. Ryder, what were you thinking? Get out of there. We're here. Guys, check out this new fridge. I know, it's the same color as me. Woohoo! Awesome, you guys. Look at our cool new fridge we have to play with. It's our little penguin here. But where's Skye and Chase? What? There's their skateboards, but where are they at? We're gonna have to go ahead and open up our fridge and see if they're inside. Let's start with this drawer. Ooh, look what's in here. We got an ice cream cone with some chocolate on it. And I can't, oh, there we go. Ooh, look at this tasty pie. Ooh, we can cut it apart. And look. Let's see, there we go. Look, the fruit comes off. So first, let's put this cake together and then cut it up to share. So here's our cute little pie cake thing. Here's a strawberry we can put back on, and this other cute strawberry. We got some kiwis and some oranges. That looks like a good pie. So let's use our little knife to cut it up. So you guys can share and you guys can share. Let's see, we also have some shelves and some orange juice in there. So let's put our drawer back up. And now let's open up our fridge. Oh my goodness, there they are. And look how messy they left the fridge. Ryder, what were you thinking? We were just eating food and we got stuck in there. You silly guys. Here, let's put Skye back in her skateboard and Chase back in. There we go. All right, you guys, let's get everything out of there. Oh, there we go. All right, now we have to put everything in the right way. Okay, let's see. Here's some milk. We're gonna put our milk on the bottom shelf with, let's put some soda with it. There we go. And let's see our next shelf. Look, we have some, that's like lemonade there. And then let's put some melon and some strawberry with it. And look, we can put some grape down here. Now we have some orange and pineapple can go up top. And ooh, look, this is ketchup. Can ketchup fit up here? It sure can. All right, and then this looks like, that might be like strawberry ice cream or something. Let's put that on the top shelf. Ooh, look, we also got some steak. Let's see, let's put the steak right there and the lettuce right next to it. We also got some fishy fish. Ooh, look, let's put our shelves back in. There we go. Put all of our shelves back in. Wrong way. There we go. Now we can put our fish away. It's like rubbery. Boop. And look, we also got a couple eggs. They're kind of funny looking. And we have some apple juice. Look, I bet it can fit right in there. Oh, nope. We got that one. Nope. That one? Nope. Looks like we're going to have to put the apple juice right in here. All right, now it looks like we have some ice cream. Let's put the ice cream down here. And look, here's some cookies. And then look, we also have this cute little cup and an ice tray with ice. Check it out. We can put all the ice cubes in this ice cube thing. Oops. All right. Now, do you want some ice with that water? Here, look, I have some water right here. Let's spray it in our cup. There we go. Now let's fill it up with ice. We're gonna set it there and then push down on this. Did you see that ice fall in? There's 2, 3 ice cubes. That's gonna be so cold. That water's gonna be so cold. All right, so let's have you guys eat your little fruit pie. Good job. You guys ate that really fast. Now, here you guys have a cup of water. All right, now let's get some more water for these guys with some ice in it. There we go. That's some good water. And now we have an ice cream cone for Ryder. Look how big it is. He can barely hold it up. Look. He can barely hold it. It's so big. He fell over. It was so good. All right, let's open this up. Get our little, I can't get our little ice cube tray out. There we go. Let's put all of our ice cubes back. There. Now we have to freeze them some more so they'll be cold again. And then we're gonna put our pie in there with our little knife and our ice cream. Here's our little, let's put our little thing up there so we can put our cup away. There we go. Now it's all clean. All right, are you Paw Patrol ready to go? Let's get out of here. See you later, Chase. Whoa. See you later, Skye. Whoa. Bye, Marshall. Bye, Rubble. Whoa. Rubble, try that again. Bye, Zuma. And bye, Rocky. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Purple got a blue fish. How about green now? Hi guys, look at this fun game we have. Ah, my finger! We have all these fish and a fishing pole, but we need someone to play with. Whoa! Woohoo! I'll play. Oh, Marshall, good. We need someone to play with us. Here's all of my baby sharks. They want to play with everyone. They love fish. Cheese. Oh my goodness, did you see that scary looking shark? Look at all these little sharks. They dropped off. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Look how many there are. Okay, it looks like we're gonna have to have teams if there's this many people, okay? Here we go. Here's all of our sharks. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Oh, and look! Looks like there's some Paw Patrol with us too. There. Look, we have our Paw Patrol and they're all gonna be on teams with our funny sharks. So here's our fun little game. Now let's go ahead and get started. Woohoo, here's our fishing pole. We turned it on. So now let's take our turns. We're gonna start with our purple shark, who's on Marshall's team. Here we go. Oh, he barely missed that blue fish. All right, green team. No way, look, the green team got a green fish. That's funny. Orange team. Oh, the orange team got a blue fish. All right, pink team. Oh, barely missed pink team. All right, this color is turquoise. Turquoise team. Oh, turquoise got a green one. All right, blue team. Blue team got a yellow one. Ooh. All right, next up is purple team. Purple got a blue fish. How about green now? Oh, barely missed. All right, orange team. Whoops. Orange team, go. No way. Orange team got a red one. All right, pink team. Oh, you were in that and then barely missed. All right, turquoise. Oh, turquoise barely missed the yellow one. All right, blue team. Oh no. Purple team. Oh, dang it. Green team. Oh, green team got a red one. All right, orange team. Orange team got an orange fish. Look how good that was. All right, pink team. Pink team got a yellow fish. Woohoo! All right, turquoise. Oh, turquoise barely missed that orange one. All right, blue team. Oh, blue team missed the yellow. All right, purple team, your turn. Go! Orange! Oh, good job, purple. How about green team? Oh man, you missed that good. Orange team. Orange! Oh, dang it, you missed it. All right, how about pink team? Pink team got an orange one. There we go. All right, turquoise team. Ooh. Turquoise got a yellow fish. Oh my goodness, look how many fish these guys have gotten. All right, blue team. Blue got blue. Woohoo! Purple team. Purple got orange. Green team. Green got red. Orange team. Oh, orange missed yellow. How about pink team? Pink got green. Turquoise team. Oh, you missed. Blue team. Blue team got red. All right, purple team. Ooh, purple team missed. How about green team? Green team got yellow. Orange team. Here it comes. Orange team got green. All right, pink team. Pink team got blue. All right, turquoise. Oh, bad luck, turquoise. How about blue? Oh, nope. Purple. Oh, purple got it. Purple team. Boop. All right. Look at all these fish everyone got. Look, I think we have a 4-way tie. No way. All right, we got to count up how many everyone has. So let's start with our purple team. with Marshall. 1, 2, 3, 4. He got 4. All right, now Rocky's turn. He's on the green team. 1, 2, 3. He got 4 too. All right, next up, Zuma's team. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, all 3 of these got 4. How about Skye on the pink team? 1, 2, 3. She got 4 too. This is our 4-way tie. All right, let's do the turquoise team with Rebel. 1, 2. He only got 2 fish. Bad luck, Rebel. Okay, how about Chase? 1, 2, 3. Well, it looks like these 4 got in a 4-way tie. They all got 4. 4 of them got 4. That's funny. I'm back. Time to go. Hope it's time to send all the sharks back. Look, here. We can send him with all of the fish. I don't think he can carry all of them, though. I think there's too many. Can he hold them? Oh, so close. One more. Oh, he's so close to holding all of them. Only one more. There we go. He held all of the fish. All right, time to go with all the fish. Bye, shark. Oh, he took all the fish home. Okay, I'm back. Everyone hop on. Okay. Now we gotta fit all of these sharks. All right, I hope you guys enjoy your fish. Bye. Bye. Good job, Paw Patrol. You're really good at sharing all of those fish. All right, let's say bye to all the Paw Patrol. Bye, Marshall. Bye, Rocky. Bye, Zuma. Bye, Skye. Bye, Rebel. Bye, Chase. Whoop. Tricky. Bye.
Bye-bye.